So ngayon lang tayo mapag-horror game. Maglalaro tayo ng Baby in Yellow. Maglalaro tayo ng horror game ngayon. Okay? May mga stick pa lang naman sa gitna. Ay, ads. Oh, ayan na. Ayan na, mga tropa. Ayun pala, Baby in Yellow. Get water from fridge. Asan mo ang ano? Feeling ko nasa taas. Ay, not lock. Ay, ito pala yung nakabuksan. Ito. Kwarto nito. Kwarto nito eh. Saan ba si Aryan eh? Ay, ito ata. Saan ang fridge dito? Ito ba? Ayan! Ay, ito pala. Uy, ito na. Pick bottle, okay. Tapos, close natin ang fridge. Tsaka lang door. Ayaw na baby ng ano? Bagong tipla. Okay. Fit baby. Yeah! Wala, uutot si baby. Ay, uutot. Amay pupo. Pupo lang. Akala ko utot eh. Pupo lang pala eh. Tiya. Ganito lang ah. Don't move. Oops. Don't move, baby. Yeah. Alam ko dito ko siya nalagay. Bebe! Ano pa yung malakad yun? Aso ka? Uy. Napi. Bakit napi? Dapat tapin. Mali naman ang sinasabi niya. Take baby to the bed. Ang laki na mata mo! Ang laki na mata mo. Ay, ito pala kapa niya. Uy, patulog ka. Ay, kuwawa naman yung baby. Sige. At least mamaya makatulog yan.
Across the shore, in distant lands, with dark stars overhead, the prince was fast asleep until a cat jumped on his bed.
I found a secret garden,
Said the cat with much delight. Excitedly they ran outside, explorers in the night. They walked through the golden garden gate.
Look at the pretty trees.
They walked along the pretty pebble path.
Look at the colorful flowers.
They walked past the fabulous flowing fountain.
Look at the dancing water. Look.
But the prince didn't like the garden. And started kicking down the trees. He dug up flowers, grabbed the hedges, and pulled off all the leaves. He ruined everything for fun. The cat watched on in fear.
What a mistake I made.
The cat cried out.
I should never have brought him here.
Uy, tulog na baby oh. Shh, huwag tayo makakita. Watch TV on the sofa. Okay. Udit naman ako doon. Baby, bakit ka umiiyak? Kailangan kong puntahan? Kasi kailangan ko talaga puntahan ata. Lucas, Ano? Bala na yung baba lang tayo manood ulit tayo ng TV. Ha! Boy! Andito ka pa, baby ka! Andito si Daddy. Are you daddy? Patulog ka na kaya? Patulog ka na, baby. Patulog ka na. Kot pa pangalan niya. Oh, parang kot. Paano siya ako? Parang kunin. Hello, umiyak yung baby. Kot? So guys, bukas na tayo kasi hindi ko pa alam yung laro na to. So guys, thank you for watching. Mamaya na lang kapag alam ko na yung laro na to. See you! Bye-bye!